current marketing strategy falling short? In this video, we'll show you how to integrate a new tool into your strategy to boost your results and achieve success. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things marketing. In today's video, we're going to talk about integrating a new tool into your existing marketing strategy. Whether you're looking to increase your website traffic, improve your social media presence, or boost your email marketing efforts, incorporating a new tool can help you achieve your marketing goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more marketing tips and insights. Before integrating a new tool into your existing marketing strategy, it's important to define your objectives. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with this tool? Is it to increase website traffic, generate leads, or improve customer engagement? Having a clear objective in mind will help you determine if the tool is right for your business and how to integrate it effectively. Research is a key when it comes to selecting and integrating a new tool into your marketing strategy. Look for tools that are specifically designed for your industry or business type and compare features and pricing to find the best fit. It's also important to read reviews and case studies to see how other businesses have used the tool and what results they have achieved. Once you've selected a tool, it's important to train your team on how to use it effectively. Provide training materials and resources and encourage your team to experiment with the tool to find out what works best for your business. You may also want to assign a team member to be responsible for managing the tool and monitoring its effectiveness. Integrating your new tool with your existing marketing channels is crucial for success. Make sure the tool is seamlessly integrated with your website, social media accounts, and email marketing platform. This will help you streamline your marketing efforts and ensure consistency across all channels. Finally, it's important to measure the results of your new tool and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use analytics and reporting features to track key performance indicators, such as website traffic, lead generation, and customer engagement. Use these insights to make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategy. Feeling overwhelmed with the process of integrating a new tool into your marketing strategy? Our team of experts can help. Contact us today to learn more about our revolutionized AI lead generation.